Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start drawing now. You need basic supplies and a strong gesture. Begin by sketching a flowing S-curve for the spine. This establishes motion and weight. Add a circle for the head and 2 overlapping ovals for chest and hips so proportions read at a glance. Draw light construction lines for limb placement and tail length. Keep pressure soft so you can refine. Once done, step back and confirm silhouette and rhythm before proceeding to anatomical definition and details. Now develop anatomy to sell believability. Refine the skull and jaw so the mouth opens correctly, and mark eye and nostril positions for expression. Build limb joints using simple cylinders and indicate wing armature with a primary bone, secondary bones, and membrane spans. This controls pose and folding. Lay in major muscle groups and light value blocks where muscles bulge. Then suggest scale patterns and horn anchors. These details reinforce species and style. Make sure to keep proportions readable before committing final lines. Finish by inking or darkening final lines, using thicker strokes where shadows and weight fall, and thinner strokes for distant or delicate areas. Once inked, erase construction marks and add texture, overlapping scales, membrane creases, and targeted hatch shading to imply form. Place highlights sparingly to sell gloss on eye and scales. If proportions feel off, don't panic. Lightly resketch offending areas on a new layer or tracing paper and transfer.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.